How you doing, guys and girls?
Today we're gonna show you Patriotic leather machine soap. Red, white, and blue. Very cool. See blue soap. Oster leather machine. Very cool. See, we got blue so far. It's like the American flag blue. And then next, from Campbell Leather King leather machine, we have red. See? So red, blue, and then we got white. Very interesting.
Very cool, huh?
Yeah, like 4th of July at the barber shop.
Let me shave. Let me shave.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so much.
And have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank you.